Morton's airborne manned UAF drone. Subject to magnetic levitation, manned aboard UAF air-traveling EDS machine. Base on electrodynamics repulsive force. The Morton's manned UAF airborne machine composed of rectangular-shaped diamagnetic block structure element. The Morton's manned UAF airborne operates levitation by electromagnetics, repulsive forces, self-suspension, as to levitation, as to FLY. The Morton's airborne solenoid engine subsystem structure. The structure exhibits inductor copper audio wire group, spun tightly, throughout the rectangular diamagnetic block gauge element. The rectangular-shaped diamagnetic block linear induction motor design. The structure design exhibits rectangular open clearance exhibiting alongside the wide-sided structure bearing induction audio wiring having crossed-sewed wiring spun throughout the negative type magnetics repulsive diamagnetic block gauge interface. Subject not limiting to additional structure inventor Jermaine Morton design. The Morton's airborne design diamagnetic element having compounds exhibit negative magnetism that does not exhibit forms of magnetism. The Morton's manned airborne comprised of an aluminum element composed of atoms orbital electrons field negative repulsive energy versus magnetism. Morton's manned UAF airborne repulsive forces self-suspension not supported by magnetic force. However, the repulsive force used to counteract the effects of the gravitational weight inertial weight to the machine and user, emitting electrodynamics constant repulsive forces movement of the rectangular diamagnetic structure force lift into the air as to levitation as to FLY. Eddy currents inductor coil solenoid pull push wiring couple joined together along with the diamagnetic block gauge exhibits audio wiring cross-sewed throughout diamagnetic horizontal wide surface area. The coated silicon copper wire spun tightly helix-shape coil emissions forces the diamagnetic element away from the direction of the electrical energy winding field repel upwardly lifted into the air yanking both the emission source against the weight of gravity and inertial mass.